Hey everyone, I'm Naeem, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Online Incomes Hub. Today, we're starting another powerful lesson about content marketing and SEO, and this is part 1 of the complete guide. In this lesson, we'll cover the fundamentals of content marketing, and in the next lesson, I'll show you the exact step-by-step strategies you can use to get real traffic, rankings, and online growth through content marketing. Before we begin, remember this powerful mindset. Don't look back and ask, why? Look ahead and ask, why not? Many people still ask, why should I do content marketing? The answer is simple, because it works. Content marketing helps websites grow traffic, build authority, increase trust, and generate long-term income online. Whether you have a blog, business website, YouTube channel, or online store, content marketing can completely transform your online presence. Now let's first understand how search engines like Google have evolved over the years. Google is much smarter today than it was years ago. In fact, Google makes multiple algorithm updates every single day. Most of these updates are powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. Google now understands what people actually want, not just the words they type. That's why low-quality content no longer works. Today, Google rewards helpful content, high-quality information, user experience, consistency, trustworthiness. And this is where content marketing becomes extremely important. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is inconsistency. They publish content for a few days, then disappear for weeks or months. But successful websites and brands grow because they consistently create valuable content. Content marketing works like a machine. If you continuously publish useful, high-quality content, your traffic keeps growing over time. But when you stop, your growth also slows down. There are now over 1 billion blogs on the internet. People keep creating blogs because content marketing generates real results and real revenue. So why is content marketing important? Here are some major reasons. Businesses using content marketing often get much higher conversion rates. It increases brand awareness and authority. It builds trust with your audience. It helps both B2B and B2C businesses. It reduces dependence on expensive ads. It allows small creators to compete with big companies. And honestly, this is one of the best opportunities for beginners who want to earn online with low investment. At Online Incomes Hub, my goal is to help you learn these digital skills step by step so you can build long-term online income sources. Now here's something very important. If you don't understand your audience's problems, your content will fail. Successful content marketing is all about balancing what people are searching for and what value your content provides. Your content should solve problems, answer questions, and help users achieve something. That's what Google loves. Whether you run a blog, an e-commerce store, a service business, or a YouTube channel, you must understand your customer journey. For example, what problem does the user have? What solution are they searching for? What comparisons are they making? What information do they need before buying? When you understand these things, creating successful content becomes much easier. Another important lesson, content marketing is not only for blogs. It also works amazingly for YouTube videos, social media, email marketing, product pages, tutorials, case studies, reviews, guides, and one of the most powerful strategies is studying your competitors. You should analyze which topics are bringing them traffic, which keywords they rank for, which pages perform best, what type of content people engage with most. This helps you avoid wasting time creating content nobody wants. Tools like SEO research platforms can help you discover popular keywords, competitor traffic, backlinks, content ideas, and ranking opportunities. One of the smartest strategies is this. Don't reinvent the wheel. Study what already works, then create something even better. If your competitors are ranking with better visuals, step-by-step tutorials, videos, statistics, infographics, or deeper explanations, then your job is to improve the experience even more. That's how you outperform competitors in SEO. Now let's talk about what I call supercharged content. Supercharged content is highly useful, detailed, visually appealing, easy to understand, and genuinely helpful. It's content that people share, bookmark, link to, and trust. To create supercharged content, use real examples, include statistics, add visuals, explain clearly, and make your content actionable. Don't just write for search engines. Write for humans first. Also, design matters. Good-looking content improves readability and user experience. But remember, your website or content should also load fast. A beautiful but slow website can still hurt your rankings. Another huge factor today is video content. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok are growing rapidly because video content keeps users engaged longer. That's why on Online Incomes Hub, we focus not only on SEO and blogging but also on digital growth strategies that work across multiple platforms. Finally, remember this. Successful content creators don't rely on luck. They follow systems and strategies consistently. If you understand your audience, research keywords properly, create better content than competitors, stay consistent, and continue improving, you can build massive traffic and long-term online success. Thank you for watching this lesson on Online Incomes Hub. In the next video, we'll go deeper into practical content marketing strategies and learn exactly how to create content that ranks higher on Google and attracts real visitors. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future lessons about SEO, blogging, digital marketing, and online income. I'm Naeem, and I'll see you in the next lesson.